In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Zelle in Wells Fargo app. Before we start, make sure you have the Wells Fargo mobile app installed and you're signed in with your secure credentials. Also have access to the US mobile number or email address you want to use with Zelle because we'll need to verify it. Make sure your app is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. That helps the verification code arrive quickly and ensures the setup screens load smoothly. From the home screen, look toward the bottom or main menu and tap Pay and Transfer. This area brings together payments, transfers, and Zelle. Next, choose Zelle. If it's your first time, the app may show a brief overview. Feel free to skim it, then continue. Tap Zelle Preferences. This is where you enroll the contact information Zelle will use to identify you. Select whether you want to enroll a US mobile number or an email address. Either option works, just pick the one you check most often. For many people, a mobile number is the quickest. Tap your chosen number or email, and the app will send you a verification code. Keep the app open and watch for a text message or an email with a short code. It can take a few seconds to a minute. When the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown, then tap Verify. If you mistype it, you can try again, so don't worry. Verifying confirms you own that phone or email, which protects your account. Now choose the checking account you want to link to Zelle. This is the account that money will be sent from and deposited into. If you have multiple eligible accounts, pick the one you use for everyday transactions. Tap Save to lock in your selection. After a moment, you should see a confirmation message letting you know Zelle is all set up. That's your signal that enrollment worked and your contact info is active. From here on out, you can send and receive money right in the Wells Fargo app with Zelle, typically in minutes when both parties are enrolled. Always double check the recipient's details before you send, because Zelle payments usually can't be canceled once they're on the way. That's the complete setup. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical Zelle tips and Wells Fargo app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.